Welcome to the tutorial on how to connect the PR103 to akYtec Cloud. Whether you're setting up your device for the first time or need a refresher, this guide will take you step by step through the process. Before we begin, make sure you have the following items: akYtec PR103, akYtec ALP software, micro USB cable, Ethernet cable, a router or Ethernet switch with an internet connection, a 24-volt DC power supply, and a PC. Let's start by setting up PR103 in akYtec ALP. Connect your PC to the PR103 using a micro USB cable and open ALP. Click on the COM option in the lower right corner. In the serial port field, select the COM port of the device. If the correct COM port is selected, ALP will display a green check mark with the exact model. Next, click the New Project button. If ALP detected the PR103 automatically, click OK. Otherwise, manually select the correct model and proceed. Now, let's configure PR103 in ALP. Click on Device Configuration. In the Modbus Slave, Access from Cloud section, enable the functions required by project. For this setup, we will allow full access to Modbus registers. Next, go to Network Settings. Here, enable DHCP and Cloud Connection. Once finished, click the Save button. Now, ALP will automatically restart the device, so the network changes could be applied. Finally, to secure the connection, set a password for the device, which is mandatory for connection with cloud. So, navigate to the Passwords section, enter a password, and click the Set button. Next, we will create network variables. Click on Variable Table. In the Network Slave folder, click on New Variable. For this tutorial, we will create two integer-type variables. Variable 1 will send data to the cloud, and Variable 2 will receive data from the cloud. Once the variables are created, logic scheme can be created. Now, let's set up akYtec Cloud. Log into akYtec Cloud and navigate to Administration. Open the Devices folder and click Add. In the Device Registration window, enter the necessary details. First, select PR103 as the device type and choose the connection mode. In this video, all connection modes will be covered. Auto detection mode will be first. Then enter the serial number of the device. If you do not know the serial number, it can be read from the side of the device or from the ALP in the Device section. Network address field is locked for connection over Ethernet, so we will leave it as is. For the end, enter the device name and once finished, click Create button. In auto detection mode, once device has been created, enter the device password and click Save button. Then click View Device button. The device card will appear in the main window. If no data appears within 2 minutes, check the configuration and network settings. To monitor data received and sent by cloud, navigate to Graphs, select the data to display and click Show button. If program variables are missing from the list, go to Device Management and in Parameter Settings card check the Show in Graphs box for the variables. Once done, click View Device button to see the data. Now, let's look at manual mode connection for PR103. So we will first delete the PR103 device that we have just added in auto detection mode and then click the Add button. Here we will repeat the steps as for auto detection mode. After adding the device, we will repeat the steps as for auto detection mode. After adding the device, enter the password and click Save. Then, open Parameter Settings. But before we continue, let's go back to the ALP. Here, we will generate a JSON file by opening the Plugins card and selecting Export Device to akYtec Cloud. This file will help us create variables on the cloud side. Now, go back to akYtec Cloud, go to Parameter Settings, select Import from JSON, choose the file and click Import Parameters. Now, the parameter list has been filled with the variables and their data. Once finished, click on the View Device button. If everything is set correctly, the device card will appear in the main window. The cloud requires a few seconds to establish a connection with the device and extract all available data. If 2 minutes have passed and the parameters node does not display any data or an indicator showing when the device status was last updated, something was not set up correctly. The most likely issues are incorrect device configuration or improper network settings in previous steps. To write data to a variable, open Parameter Record. Enter a value in the New Value field and click Record. Confirm the action and the data will be stored. To view the results of the actions, go back to the ALP and start online debugging mode. Now, the last thing that we will show you, in case that you need it, is how to create a network variable manually. To do so, click the plus symbol in Parameter Settings, enter the variable details such as name, code, and register address. Click Save, and that is it. Congratulations, you have successfully connected the PR103 to akYtec Cloud. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more guides. For further assistance, visit our website or contact our support team.